modern procurement runs on clean, governed data. But most Coupa deployments struggle with ungoverned onboarding and manual reconciliation. MDO is the converged, AI-driven data governance layer that powers Coupa with trusted supplier and material data. As a Coupa partner, MDO connects Coupa and other systems through a single governed integration, eliminating duplicates, validating vendors with third-party data sources like Dun and Bradstreet, and enforcing multi-stage approvals with zero IT dependency. From supplier onboarding to bank changes and catalog creation, MDO governs and enriches every request, keeping both systems in sync from day one. The numbers speak for themselves. Supplier onboarding drops from 15 to 30 days to just 7 to 10. PO exceptions from bad vendor data fall by up to 80%. Audit prep time drops over 60%. With MDO Kai, teams submit requests, enrich profiles, and govern catalogs in plain, simple language. Fully self-service. Trusted by Fortune 500 enterprises globally across multiple industries. Why settle for ungoverned data? Maximize your Coupa investment with MDO. Book a demo and explore the difference.